Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys my new pair of shoes. I bought two pairs of Castañer Espadrilles. I hope I'm saying that right, but I'm so excited. I ordered them from Matchesfashion a week ago and they finally arrived. Okay, the box is super heavy, but this is it. Comes in a beautiful box. I love the design. I got the same box before when I ordered my other pairs, and it's super beautiful. You can recycle it and use it as a gift box. Yeah, but before we start, I would love for you guys to comment below and tell me if you guys have ordered from Matchesfashion before, or if you have a pair of Espadrilles and how you're loving them, how you pair them. I love that you can wear them during the daytime. I have a beige pair, so I'm going to show you the two that I bought now because I absolutely love the color. I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, beautiful. Okay, this is how it opens. Don't know if you guys can see. Okay, but this box is pretty heavy. There's two pairs of boxes in here. Ooh. Okay. Already opened it, but as you can see, it comes with a little message, and then inside it comes with this. Inside is just information about your shipping, and yeah, not much else, just your shipping information. But it's nice because they pay a lot of attention to detail. I absolutely love that. Okay, let's do this. I actually haven't really opened the shoe boxes yet. I just had a peek last night, and here is the first box. Okay, let's open it. I bought mine in a size 36. The sizes are Italian sizes, so you just have to pay attention to that. Probably look at your normal UK or US size online and just bear that in mind before you order. I'm going to put all the links below from the Matchesfashion website so that if you guys want to get a pair, they're currently having a sale, and I will put my link below so that you can get a discount. And yeah, here's the first pair. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous, guys? I'm in love. I love the yellow color and I love this crisscross accent. I just think it makes them very unique. And let me get to the second pair. Second box. As you can see, so colorful and bright. So cute, guys. Red. So clearly these days my favorite color has been red. I've been buying a lot of red items, but obviously with these you'd have to pair them with like plain, I'm thinking white, neutral colors so that the color pops. And the awesome part is that you can wear these during the day, at night, if you're going to a casual, say, get together, or even dinner. But the next pair I'm gonna get are the black ones. They're all black ones. Those would be awesome for nighttime. And yeah, aren't these absolutely gorgeous, guys? And tell me what you think below. And if you want to get yourself a gorgeous pair, Matchesfashion is currently having a sale, so I would advise that you rush there and get yourself a pair. I am in love, guys. And that is it, guys. So please smash the like button below, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.